now with Alex Baker. As I say, Alex travels quite a number of miles on the road over the summer months. Well, I think there's still some more to come, so don't go away, ladies and gentlemen, we're all on the way. Impressive line-up, I think you'll all agree. I see another fella just arriving. Steamroller. Fathers were prominent builders of steam engines, and in particular they built a lot of steamrollers. Steamrollers were at work, well, till the late 1960s in some instances in parts of Wales. This one's called Bentley Queen. It's owned by Russell from North Nottinghamshire. This one was used by Midlothian Council, and it worked on the Pentland Hills just below Edinburgh. It came into preservation by a gentleman in Dorset, and it's been owned by Russell since the 2000s. Okay, Russell. Now this one is suitably named. This Avon and Porter steamroller called Early Riser. And I think when you worked with these engines you had to be an early riser. This one's owned by David Lomas from Stockport. It's the ex-New Mills Council steamroller. That's been with David since the late 1980s. And was first preserved by two gentlemen from the New Mills area, Norris Lawton and Jack Hardman. Since David has owned it, it's had a number of rebuilds, and it's just as you see it today, which is in excellent condition, as are all of these engines. Now we have a Ruppermeyer steamroller. Steam vehicles weren't only built in this country. This one was actually built in Germany. Went new to Mr. Boswickle from Nijmegen in Holland. It's owned by Andrew Turner from Sheffield, and it has the name of Survivor. John Carr now from Sheffield with an Avon and Porter steamroller. This one was actually intended for export to Australia, but that didn't materialise, and it finished up with Bilston Corporation in Staffordshire. It's been in the Carr family. Hello, John. It's been in the Carr family for a number of years now. You'll notice that that one has RF on it, which is a Staffordshire registration. I think we've still got some more to come, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're enjoying this steam parade. These road locomotives, they were used in pairs or three, two at the front of a load, one at the back. Fitchfords were big users of road haulage engines. Another firm that used them were Norman E. Box from up Manchester way. This one's on a first time visit here to the Cromford Steam Rally. It's owned by Mr. Kell from up there in the northeast. This one actually went new to the Ministry of Munitions. It had a number of years with them, and then past the Gibbons of Castor, which is near Peterborough in Lincolnshire. It was used by them in their threshing business. It's had a number of owners in preservation. Those include Knights of Old and a gentleman that I knew back when I was a young lad, Tom Burton from Market Harbour in Leicestershire. That's the Fowler Road locomotive, which seems to be edging towards me, but I don't know why they seem to take a liking to me. It must be nice. That's a shame, I'll imagine. Kingfisher is the name of this one. The previous owner of this one was a gentleman called Alany from Crete near Northampton. Now we have Dave Thorpe from Thorpe near Ashbourne. Dave owns the Dovedale garage there. It's a little garage steam tractor, 4CD type. Now this one went new to Ulverston Rural District Council. It later moved to Lancashire County Council. It was saved for preservation by a gentleman called Arthur Wedgwood who lived near to Blackpool. That was back in 1959. He kept it for a short space of time when it was acquired by a gentleman called Sir John Samuel. He owned a miniature railway in Surrey and he steamed the engine from Lancashire to Surrey. It has the name of That'll Do. As I say, it's owned by Dave Thorpe. It's being driven there for us today by Christian Cartwright. Evelyn and Porter steam tractor. This one's called Maggie. Yeah. Right, I didn't know about this. Just tell us a little bit about this one, please.
So yeah, it's an Evelyn tractor built in 1917. New to Ireland, never really been to a rally anywhere. Unfortunately, the bloke who owned it is jet first to the ground with it inside. We've literally just finished rebuilding it for him. So no career for a bit.
Okay, Tom Field Patterson there. This is an extra to your programme. First time it's been to a rally, so there you are. Something special for the Cromford Steam Rally. Mark Hitchin with a Man's steam lorry. Man's didn't build too many steam vehicles, but this is a steam lorry that went new to Bayer Peacock and Company of Gordon, Foundry, Manchester. All right, Mark. This one actually finished its working life, first steam sterilising soil, just the boiler. It was rebuilt by the Jenkins family, who lived at Swansea, and it's been with Mark Hitchin for a number of years now. And the Garrett 4CD Showman's tractor, Queen of Great Britain. This one's owned by Carl Hayes from Chesterfield. It was originally built, or originally intended to have a crane fitted on the back for the War Department. This didn't happen, and it was sold into Gloucestershire, where it was used for the haulage engine. Used the haulage engine for a small number of years before it went to the showman John Cole. It's been with Cole for a number of years now, They purchased it from the Turner family of Thormanby near York. So that's the Garrett Showman steam tractor. These were used on the fairgrounds. You put the driving belt on. You'll see there's a dynamo on the front. We put a driving belt on from the flywheel to the dynamo on the front of the engine and provide the light or whatever was required at the fair. I hope I'm going to be attacked. Right, well, ladies and gentlemen, let's give all these gentlemen and the crews a round of applause for bringing their engines to the Cromford Steam Rally 2024. Thank you very much. Can we have a blow on the whistle from you, please? Well done, ladies and gentlemen, involved with all the engines here today. Superb display. Are we going to have a blast on the whistle? No, yeah, no, yeah, no. They don't want to work on a hot day, do they? Yeah, when you're ready, give us a blast. Good. Right, there's always one who has to be last. Right, well done. We're going to get the big engines out now and then we'll have one of the ones in. I knew that would be Mr. Code. Everybody there always has to be somebody, doesn't there, with something different. Right, so we're going to move the big engines out then, Matt. Then we'll get the little miniature engines round. So just be careful of the engines, please. Right, well, we've got to change of plan. We've had a message from the hierarchy that we're going to have a change of plan. We're going to have the miniatures in because they're blocking the roadway up. Right, just bear with us, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about the delay. I think we'll put it the other way around tomorrow and we'll have the miniatures in first.